fun with food. The next thing that we're gonna make is, tell us what we're gonna do next.
We are going to make nachos with chipotle batter chips and our mango chicken.
And this is all part of a cocktail kit, right? What else is in the cocktail kit besides our mango sauce from Serious Foodie?
There is the chipotle Bloody Mary mix, so you can make a nice spicy Bloody Mary. And we also have the jalapeno Mario olives. They brine them, slow process, artisan olives, really high quality and delicious.
The Better Chips has partnered with the Serious Foodie. They're one of our favorite artisan groups. We love them because they're non-GMO, they're gluten-free, and they're all vegan. And what they do to make it special is they actually bake the flavors directly into the chips. What we're gonna do is take some of this wonderful pulled chicken that we prepared. So a little more of the mango sauce on just to kind of brighten up the flavor a little bit. Kind of looking good already, right? Mm-hmm. And then a healthy amount of shredded cheese. So we're gonna put this into the oven for probably about 5 to 10 minutes. And voila. And we can throw a little bit of cilantro on the top. That make it look nice. Add a little green to it. There you go, ready to serve. Beautiful, elegant, simple, and it's actually pretty healthy. I hope you all enjoy the spicy cocktail mix from the Serious Foodie.